Hello, little learners. Welcome to Kids English Champ. Today, we are going to pack our school bag. But, oh no, Timmy forgot what to bring. Can we help him?
I don't know what to pack for school bag. Can you help me, Champ?
Of course, Timmy. Let's check what we need. First, we need a pencil case. You need a pencil case for writing and drawing. Next, a water bottle. You need a water bottle to stay hydrated. Water is important. We drink water to stay hydrated. Now, a lunchbox. A lunchbox has yummy food to keep us strong. You need to eat healthy food. Finally, books. You need books to learn new things.
Hooray! We packed everything. Let's check. Pencil case, water bottle, lunchbox, and books.
Thank you, teacher. Now I'm ready for school.
Great job, everyone! Now you know what to pack. Don't forget to pack your school bag, right? Now you know when you want to pack your school bag, you need to take your pencil case for writing and drawing, water bottle to stay hydrated, lunchbox for tasty food, books to learn new things. Good job, everyone! Now you know how to pack your school bag. So hereafter, don't trouble your mama to pack your school bag. Now you can pack your school bag alone. Good job, everyone! I hope now you know how to pack your school bag. So don't forget to pack your school bag. See you in the next lesson.